Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to apply Trendlines in dashboard widgets in Bold BI. Bold BI Embedded Analytics helps integrate analytical solutions and data visualization capabilities into a software application's user interface to improve data comprehension and usability. To explore the Trendline feature, you need to install and deploy the Bold BI server in your machine. Then, the server will be launched in your default browser using the localhost server URL. Initially, the page looks empty until you create a new dashboard or add a pre-built dashboard. I have already installed and deployed the Bold BI server using an on-premise-demo.boldbi.com domain. I have created dashboards and explored some dashboard examples, so the dashboard's homepage has several dashboards listed. Before getting into the video, you have to know how to create a dashboard and how to connect to a new data source. Please check the links provided in this video's description if you do not know how to do these things. Let's explore the Trendline feature. A trendline is a line that indicates the slope, or trend, in a particular data series. It is also known as a line of best fit or regression line. It is used to illustrate a trend in a data series and is commonly used to chart predictions. It is also often used to identify the correlation between two variables by observing trends in both simultaneously. You can add more than one trendline to Cartesian charts except for bar-type series, like column and area charts, and stacked chart types. You can add, edit, and delete trendlines. To learn more about the Trendline feature, find the documentation link provided in this video's description. Let's explore the Trendline feature. Here, you can see a list of dashboard examples I've explored. From these, I have added the Sprint Management in Agile dashboard, which demonstrates Trendline functionalities. I open the dashboard by clicking on it. This Sprint Management Agile dashboard provides an overview of key sprint management data and helps you track velocity, scope changes, story points, and more. Let's edit this dashboard to apply a trendline to a widget in the dashboard designer. This spline chart widget visualizes the completed story points over time metric, which shows the trend of completed story points over a day. Now, I am going to recreate this widget for your real-time experience. Here on the completed story points over time widget, we will apply a trendline to the completed story points measure value. You can see the Trendlines option under the Properties tab of the chart widget. To add a trendline, click the Add icon in the Trendline section. The Trendline Properties dialog will open as shown. Click OK to add the trendline to the spline chart. The chart renders as follows. Next, to edit a trendline, select one, click the Edit icon. In the Trendline Properties dialog, you can edit the legend text, and this default text renders based on the line type and series name. Here you can change the series that shows the trendline with the series dropdown option. From the line type dropdown, you can select a line type based on your need. Next, you can adjust the line width, modify the line color, and apply various styles to the trendline. You can also delete the trendline by using the delete icon. Now, we have successfully recreated the widget. Next, let's see another example of how to apply a trendline to a dashboard example. Here I have added the K-12 enrollment dashboard from the Sample Dashboards section. To know more about how to view pre-configured analytics dashboards, you can check the video link provided in this video's description. With the K-12 enrollment dashboard, administrators can track enrollment trends, advanced coursework data, budget details, and more. Let's edit the dashboard and add a trendline to one of its widgets. Here we will apply a trendline to the Operating Budget Per Year widget. We go to the Properties panel for the widget, then the Trendline section, and click the Add icon. In the Trendline dialog, we provide the properties based on our needs and then click OK. Now the trendline is plotted on the spline chart. Using this, administrators can see how the annual operating budget is trending. Let's take a quick look at one last dashboard example with a trendline widget. Here I have added the Oil and Gas Wells Summary dashboard, which holds a trendline widget. This Oil and Gas Wells Summary dashboard provides an overview of KPIs such as total wells, gross versus net well count, and equipment downtime. Click Edit to explore the dashboard. Here on the Gross versus Net Well Count widget, we have applied a trend line between gross wells and net wells. you can select a Trendline series and click Edit to check the properties provided for the Trendline. That's all there is to it. We have covered how to apply Trendlines in dashboard widgets. To explore more dashboards like these, you can view our Solutions and Integrations dashboards on the sample browser page. In this video, we have seen an overview of how to apply Trendlines in Bold BI dashboard widgets. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.